What's the meaning of ascendant? Ascendant. Ascendant.
Ascendant. Ascendant. Ascendant can have a few different meanings depending on the context in which it is used. One common meaning is that it refers to something that is rising or becoming more powerful or influential. For example, a country's ascendant political party might be gaining more support and winning more elections. In astrology, an individual's ascendant sign is the sign that was rising on the eastern horizon at the time of their birth. This sign can give some insight into the individual's personality traits and overall life path.